Hi friends, in the journey of quantitative aptitude, we have already finished 6 topics. Now coming to 7th topic. So the 7th topic is problems on numbers. Problems on numbers. That means this basically contains some numbers, just like puzzle type of things. Maybe two numbers x comma y are there. Okay, product of this number is maybe 10 and some of these numbers are 7. What are the numbers? In that type of questions will be asked, or maybe something like square x square plus y square is equal to some 20 and x minus y is equal to some 2. So what are the x and y? So in this type of some different combinations are asked. So for these things we no need to explain much, so I like to keep some part of quiz directly. So I like to keep quiz 7 as 10 questions. So out of 10, 5 questions are dedicated to these type of things, so problems on numbers, and 5 questions I like to dedicate to the next topic, that those are indices and surds. So this topic is also very easy topic, but somewhat important topic, and we need to discuss in very brief manner. We can discuss this topic also. So in this video I like to complete that part also. So let me go ahead with indices and surds. So quiz 7 contains 10 questions. Out of 10, 5 questions from problems on numbers and 5 questions from indices and surds. So let me go ahead with indices and surds. This is the 8th topic, indices and surds. If a power m is there, then m is called index of a. Similarly, if there is mth root of a is there, then this is called surd of a is surd of m. So this mth root a is called a surd of index m. So based on these things, we have some laws. Okay, let us discuss those laws so that we can finish off this topic. Yeah, laws of indices. So a power m so first law is a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. And the second law is a power m divided by a power n is equal to a power m minus n. And the third law is a power m whole power n is equal to a power mn. And the next law is ab power n is equal to a power n b power n. A by b whole power n is equal to a power n divided by b power n. Similarly, a power 0 equal to 1. So these are the laws on indices, and let's go ahead with the laws on surds. Okay, so nth power of a is equal to a power 1 by n. Nth power of ab is equal to nth power of a and nth power of b. Similarly, nth power of a by b is equal to nth power of a by nth power of b. Similarly, nth power of a power n is equal to a, and nth power of a is equal to mnth power of a. And the last one is mth power of a power n is equal to mth power of a whole power n is equal to, okay, this is not correct, nth power of a whole power m. Nth power of, oh sorry, so let me explain this. This is not correct. Yeah, 6th one will be explained here. So mth power of a whole power n is equal to nth power of a power m. Yes, so this is correct one. So you can see, if to elaborate this, it is a power n, mth power of n is a power 1 by m, so it will be n by m. So if you can see this part, it is also a power m by n. Okay, very small mistake, a power m, nth root, and nth power of a whole power m. Yeah. Here also this is n and this is m. Okay, please correct it. Nth power of a whole power m is equal to nth power of a power m. Okay, both the things are same. So please ignore this one. This is m only, and this is n. That's all. So these are the formulae. So based on these formulae, we can go ahead with our quiz. So with this topic, the quiz will be added in as a description. So please go ahead with the quiz and solve the quiz. In the tomorrow's class, we will discuss with the solutions of those problems. Okay, thank you so much. Please like this video and share this video with your friends and family, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell button so that you will get the notifications whenever I upload any video. Thank you so much.